Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the Wi-Fi issues on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open settings and tap on connections. From here, just go to more connection settings, then tap on VPN. And if there is any VPN connected to your smartphone, just tap on the gear icon over here and tap on delete VPN profile. Then select delete. Now, after you disable or delete all the VPN profiles in this section, then go back and tap on private DNS. And if private DNS is enabled on your Samsung phone, just select off and tap on save. Now, in many cases, this problem appears when the date and time on your smartphone are incorrect. To fix this issue, just go back to the main settings page, then tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Date and Time, then tap on Set Date. Now in this section, just set the date of your smartphone manually. Then tap on Time and set the time of your smartphone manually. Or you can enable automatic date and time. And if you enable this toggle, your smartphone will automatically set the correct date and time according to your region. Now if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then go back and tap on Reset. And from here, you will find the option of Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Just tap on it, then tap on Reset Settings. And once you do that, then go to your home screen and restart your smartphone. For that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the Control Center. Then tap on the power icon and select Restart. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix Wi-Fi issues on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.